Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to unbox a Bluetooth speaker, which according to me is one of the best Bluetooth speakers in a very inexpensive price on Amazon. So we'll be unboxing ultraprolink speaker in this video. Okay guys, so as I told you, we are going to unbox this ultraprolink UM084 HIQ Groove Music Bluetooth headset now. And this one I got in Amazon with a deal. It was free for me, but because I bought in a package with the audio enhancer and everything together, this one came free, but it costs around it has various versions. That is, you have with a smaller speaker, that's a smaller size speaker, to the biggest size speaker, this one, from 450 to 850. And if you see in the speaker about the features, it mentions the features over here. That is, it has music and call management, playtime, Bluetooth 4.2, that's 6 hours playtime, and inbuilt mic for voice calls. Memory card slot is there, 35mm aux input is also there. That is in case you don't have a Bluetooth phone, or whether you want to use an MP3 player, even if you have it now. You also have passive bass radiator, that is increasing the bass, and you have a USB pen drive slot. So this is the 8-watt one. You also have the 3-watt and 5-watt, that is according to the sizes as I told you. So let's go ahead and unbox this. There is a sellotape. It's very simple to go ahead and take it out. All you have to do is take out this plastic frame. So it has a good texture over here. And this is the straightened side of it. ultraprolink. And you have the power button here, the volume minus, volume plus, and you have the play button over here. And over in the back side, you have the USB port, memory card slot, you have the 5-watt DC power in and aux, and you have the reset button. And what you can use in this is a 5-watt normal mobile charger, and it has a battery of 1500 mAh. So it's simple. So what all is there else in the package? You have a power cable, micro USB, and you have an aux cable, and apart from that, you have the manual also, complete manual, how to go ahead and use it. This has an inbuilt mic, so it is useful during this pandemic for going ahead and using it to make calls and Zoom calls, etc. like that. So now what we have to do is, I'm just going to go ahead and take my mobile and select any one of the songs. And now we are going to go ahead and switch on the Bluetooth. There's a sound which comes by which you know that the Bluetooth is connected. Now pair a new device. So now in devices, you'll be able to see that there's something called as Groove. which we'll be going ahead and selecting. Pair. So it's been paired. So now we'll be going ahead and playing the music, which you can hear. So you can go ahead and adjust the music volume however you want. And you can pause it by using this button over here, which is play and pause button. And that's as simple as that. And to switch this off, you can go ahead and switch it off. And now I'll show you the aux cable operation also for the same song. We don't need to go ahead and change anything over there. Just switch off the Bluetooth. And now we'll untie the aux. And connect it to the aux port over here. And we will connect this to the mobile. Okay, in my mobile there's no aux port, so just give me a minute there. So now I've connected the aux cable with my phone over here by an adapter, Type-C adapter, and we'll switch this on. And if you again press this, it'll switch off if you just completely press it. So just switch it on. And just press lightly once. So if you see, by pressing this button lightly, you can change it between aux, micro SD and USB, micro SD and aux. And to increase the volume, I have to press the volume high button over here. And increase the volume in phone too. And there is a vibration over here also in the speaker. By that itself you can know that it has a good bass. So even by aux it is working clearly. So you can also try the micro SD and USB in case you have any tracks on that. So let's pause the music now. So this is the complete unboxing and how it works also of ultraprolink speaker, which you can go ahead and get it on Amazon. I'll just leave the link below. And you can try it for yourself, and this is giving actually a JBL quality track over here. So you can try if you don't want to spend as much as 5,000 or something. You can try this below 1,000 itself. And it's kind of cool also, like to use around in your home for later, even be work from home or anything what you're doing. You'll be able to use this, or even for listening to music normally. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and do leave a comment on what you would like to what you like to see for unboxing in this channel, so that I can go ahead and do that for you. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.